Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. In today's video, I will show you how to prompt ChatGPT to write a blog post. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to chat.openai.com and open a new chat. Now in this chat, go to the message section and just paste this script in your message section. So it goes like this. Hey ChatGPT, I'm writing a blog post on. Now you'll have to insert your topic on this space. So remove this insert topic here section and insert the topic of your blog post here. So I'm going to create a blog post on artificial intelligence. So I'll write that now for insert target audience. So instead of insert target audience here, we'll remove it and write our target audience. So our target audience is people who are eager to learn about AI. Now the post aims to insert purpose here. So whatever the purpose of your post is, you'll have to insert that in this section. So remove this and type in the aim of your post. Can you assist me in crafting an engaging introduction that will captivate readers and compel them to deliver deeper into the content? Now if you want to insert additional context or specific details about your blog post, you can insert it just right here by removing this section. If you want it to be accurate, but if you don't want it, you can simply ignore that section. So remove that section and click on send message. After you click on send message, you will have successfully prompted ChatGPT to write a blog post for you. As you can see, this is the blog post about AI that I just created using this prompt. So that's how you do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.